Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we will show you how to unlock your keyboard on a laptop or PC if it becomes unresponsive or is accidentally locked. We will guide you step by step so you can get it working again quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, on your computer, locate the right Shift key on your keyboard and press and hold it for 8 seconds. This will unlock or lock the keyboard. You will hear a beeping sound. That is your indicator that the keyboard has been unlocked or locked. After pressing and holding the key for 8 seconds, as you can see here, a message may appear asking if you want to turn on filter keys. If you click Yes, it will disable the keyboard. To enable it again, just repeat the same process. All you need to do is press and hold for 8 seconds the right Shift key. Once you do that, the keyboard will be unlocked. Now your laptop keyboard is unlocked and ready to use. We can continue typing and working without any interruptions.